Barcode Sumo Wrestle. In the last video, we found out what Edison's barcode program bounds in border stars. In this video, we will use a program where Edison turns into a sumo wrestler. It gets its sumo wrestling skills from its line tracking sensor and obstacle detection using infrared lamps and an infrared sensor. To upload the program, we need worksheet number 7. We have reached the last barcode program before we start writing our own programs using EdBlocks. Here we will need 2 Edisons, but if you only have 1 Edison, you can also use a similar weighted toy as Edison's opponent. Let's test the program we can scan by driving over the barcode on worksheet number 7. You can get the worksheet from under the same video. What does this program do? Place the robot in a sumo ring surrounded with a black circle before activating it. After activation, the robot starts moving forward until it reaches a black line and turns around. At the same time, the robot is looking for an obstacle, and if it sees one, then it increases its speed and tries to push the opponent out of the circle. To end the program, the square button has to be pressed. Before uploading the program, draw a circle on a piece of paper or mark it on the floor with black tape. That's where the sumo battle will happen. If the circle is too small, then robots won't have room to drive around, and when the circle is too large, then they won't find each other. Remember that the width of the line should be at least 1 centimeter. You can also decorate your Edison with Lego pieces and add a bit of weight that way. Let's start by uploading the program. Make sure the robot is turned on and the red LEDs are flashing, and then place the robot in front of the barcode. Press the round button 3 times in a row. Activate the program by pressing the triangle button. Let's see which robot wins. To cancel the program, press the square button. The working principle of the program is now known, and what better time to think of a game where to use this program. The game is called Big Sumo Competition. It can be played with at least 2 Edison robots. The task is to find out the winner. 2 robots have to do fights with each other if one of them wins 2 times in a row, or 3 fights when the first is tied. If there's little time, more than 2 robots can also compete at once. In order to also count ties, there has to be declared a time how long each match should last. Before starting the challenge, note that in the materials for this course there is an A4 sheet with all 7 barcodes on it. Print it out and then you can conveniently use it while playing. Now is your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Print out worksheet number 7 and scan the program Sumo Wrestle. If you have 2 Edisons, arrange a competition between them. If you have 1 Edison, carry out the practice round where Edison has to push heavy enough toys. How did your Edison succeed in sumo?